Good morning everyone. This side Mohit. I hope you will be safe and healthy at your home in this COVID situation. We meet again after so many days after summer vacation. From today we are going to start our study and we are going to start subject math class 6. Our second chapter is numbers, in which we have already discussed about the all numbers like as integers, natural numbers, whole numbers, composite numbers, prime numbers, fractions, rational numbers. We have discussed in first chapter also these are the all numbers and also discuss everyone. In this chapter we will discuss factor of every number. Factor of every number, how we will find factor of every number, what are the uses of factor of every number, and after that we will discuss multiples, and in next exercise I think it may be 2.1, 2.2, in which we will discuss about the divisibility rule of any number. Like as any number 243, if I say 243, so how can I check 243 is divisible by that number or 3 or 5 or 7 or not? So we will discuss about the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 11, 12, 13. And after that we will discuss about the prime factorization of any number, that which are very useful in our maths subject. Firstly, if we talk about in 6th standard, we will discuss after some time about the HCF and LCM. And as we all know, HCF stand for highest common factor and LCM stand for least common multiple. So prime factorization are very useful to find LCM and HCF. In this chapter also and in earlier chapters and earlier classes also. So numbers we have already discussed: natural number, whole number. Natural number start from 0, start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the natural number. And if we discuss about whole number, start from 0 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If we talk about integer, so integer are the minus infinity to minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It means all positive natural numbers, 0 and negative of all these numbers, negative of natural numbers. So these all numbers are called integers. After that, if we talk about fraction, fractions are the numbers in which any digit in the numerator upon denominator form, like as p upon q form. If we write 3 upon 4, so it is a fraction. After that, composite number. Composite number, a number having more than 2 factors are called composite number. We will discuss after. Definition of composite number are: a number having more than 2 factors are called composite number. So what are the factors? We will discuss later. Factors, composite number. After that, prime number. Prime number. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by itself or a number 1. Like as 2 is the smallest prime number. After that, 3 is divisible by 1 and also by itself 3. Like as 5 is divisible by 1 and 5. So these are the prime numbers and so on. There are so many prime numbers. So now we will discuss about the factors. What are the factors? How we will find? Like as if we have to find the factor of any number, factors are like if we choose 10. So factor of 10, how we will find factor of 10? Factor of 10 are a number, choose any number if that number is completely divided to 10, it means that number is a factor of this number. Let's take if we take 1, if we divide 10 by 1, then it is completely division, as we all know. If we take 2 and if we divide 10 by 2, it's completely divisible. Yes or no? So 1 is the factor of 10. 2 is also a factor of 10. If we choose 3, as we all know, 10 is not divisible by 3. 10 is not divisible by 3, completely divisible नहीं होगा. Like as 3 3 is a 9, 1 is remainder. Here remainder becomes 1. So 3 is not a factor. If we take 4, 4 is also not a factor. If we choose 5, 5 is a factor of 10. Because if we divide 10 by 5, it's completely divisible. There is no remainder. So 5 is a factor of 10. If we choose 10, 10 is also a factor of 10. So from here we conclude 1 is always a factor of any number. Let's choose another example. If we choose 24, the factor of 24 are 1 is also a factor. If we divide 24 by 1, it's completely divisible. 24 is an even number, it means it is divisible by 2. 24 is also divisible by 3, 3 8 is 24. 24 is also divisible by 4, 4 6 is 24. 24 is also divisible by 6. 24 is also divisible by 8, 12 and 24. So from these two examples, we conclude 1 is always a factor of any number. 1 is always a factor of any number. आप कोई भी नंबर चूज करो, 10, 20, 30, 40, 24, 57, वट एवर, कोई भी नंबर आप चूज कीजिए, 1 is always a factor of any number. n, a number itself is always a factor of any number. Like as if we take 10, it means 10 is also a factor. If we choose 24, then 24 is also a factor. 1 is always a factor and 24 same digit itself is also a factor. How we will find the factor of any number? We will discuss. I hope so you will be understand. After that, let's take another example. If we choose 56, how we will find the factor of 56? Let's see. We know that 1 is also a factor of any number. If we know that 56 is a even number because on the unit place is a 6. It means 56 is also divisible by 2. And if we choose 3, so we know that 56 is not completely divisible by 3. After that, if we take 4, by 4 it is also completely divisible. We can check out. 4 1 ja 4, 5 minus 4 1, we take 6, 4 4 ja 16. It means 4 and 14 both are the factor. 4 and 14 also. 4 is a factor. 5 6 7 no 7 7 8 ja 56. 14, we know that 28 and 56. These are the factor of 56. So now we have to start exercise 2.1. A first question of exercise 2.1 are. First question we have discussed. Let's take second question. Question number 1, B part. We have to find the factor of 12. How we will find? Let me see. 12 is divisible by 1. 12 is divisible by 2. 12 is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 4. Completely divisible. There is no remainder. If we divide 12 by these number, there is no remainder. If we divide by 6 and if we divide by 12. So these are the factors of 12. Question number 1. Let's take an example. there is a G part 256. How we will find the factor of bigger number? Let's see. 256. 1 is also a factor of any number. 256. This is an even number. It means this is divisible by 2. On the place of 256, if we divide by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 5, 2 2 ja 4, 5 minus 4 1, 6, 2 8 ja 16. There is no remainder. It means 2 and 1 to 8 both are the factor. 2 and 1 to 8 also. We know that 256 is also a factor. 3. Let me try by 3. We will discuss the rule of 3. 3 8 ja 24, 3 5 ja 15. Here 1 is remainder. It means 256 is not completely divisible by 3. It means 3 is not a factor of 256. 3 is not a factor. 3 is not a factor. Let's try by 2. Sorry, 4. If we divide this number by 4, then it is completely divisible. If we try by 5, not. If we try by 6, no. Generally, we choose the multiple of 128. Let me see. 128 on the table of 16 on the place of 8. So 8, 16, we can choose 64 also. So these are the generally factor of 256. Mostly 3 to 4 factors are sufficient for any number. We are not compulsory to find all factors of bigger digit. We have to find generally minimum 3 to 4 to 5 factors. We have to find of the bigger digit. So exercise 2.1 first part you can do at practice at your home. If there is any doubt, so you can discuss with me. We will discuss question second. Second question is find if 23 is a factor of 287408. 287408. We have to check 23 is a factor of this number or not. If we have to check any number is a factor of these number or not, so we have to divide this number by 23. We have to divide this number by 23. The table of 23 will be, we can write the table of 23. Let me see. First digit, if we take first digit, this is smaller. If we choose 2 digit, 28. 28 is not coming in the table of 23. So we choose smaller one, that is 23. On the place of 1. Minus 8 minus 3, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. After that we will write 57. 57 is not coming in the table of 23. So we have to write the just smaller of 57, that is 46. And on the place of 2. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. We have to write 4. And 114 is not coming, so we have to choose 92. 4 minus 2, 2. 11 minus 9, 2. We have write to 2 to 0. After that 23 6 ja 138, 23 7 ja 23 7 ja 161, 23 8 ja 184, 23 9 ja 207, 23 10 ja 230. So we have to choose 220 is not in the table of 23, so we have to choose 207, just smaller to 220. After minus 13, and we have to write 8. 138 is coming on the place of 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have to write 138 from here. Firstly 207 on the 9, and on the 6th place 138. So if we divide this number by 23, the remainder is 0. There is no remainder. It means 23 is a factor of factor of 287408. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.